Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure you are signed in as an administrator and any important files are saved. This prevents interruptions. Once done, open Start and go to Settings, then Windows Update so you're in the right place. Make sure your Dell is online, then hit Pause Updates for up to 7 days to stop immediate installs. This gives you breathing room. If you want a longer stop, proceed to Advanced Options next to set more persistent controls. Now, go into Advanced Options to choose a pause until date if you need a specific endpoint. You can repeatedly extend within limits. Turn off Receive Updates for other Microsoft products to narrow what Windows updates. Next, open Delivery Optimization and set it to PCs on my local network or limit bandwidth so updates won't auto-download aggressively. Also set active hours and change Restart for a more permanent block on Windows Update. Use the Group Policy Editor. Run gpedit. MSC, navigate to Computer Configuration, right arrow Administrative Templates, right arrow Windows Update, then configure Manage Updates Policies to disable automatic installation. If you prefer services, open Services. MSC, find Windows Update, stop it and set Startup Type to Disabled, then reboot to apply changes. If something goes wrong, make sure to re-enable the service or run the Windows Update Troubleshooter to restore normal behavior and check for driver conflicts on your Dell.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.